Okay. Stop kicking the microphone stand, you idiot. Greetings, the Astro 30 here, and today it's like nearly 4 o'clock in the morning, so what better time to make a video than now? Today I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to play the bass line from Dees and his cast of idiots novelty song Disco Duck. And it's a pretty simple bass line. It's not that hard to pick up. I've just put a little tiny bit of a funk spin on it, but yeah, it goes a little bit like this. And similar. So I'm going to show you how to play the verse, which is what I was just doing, plus the chorus line, and those are the only two parts you really need to know because that's the whole entire song. So anyway, without further ado, let's get a close-up of the fretboard and I'll take you through how to play Disco Duck. What I like to do is, the original line is more of a boring sort of octave E to low E. I like to add a little bit of a triplet to the first beat of the bar. So I start with the open D on the third string and hammer onto the E, which is the second fret. And then I hit an open E. So it would sound a bit like this at full speed. See how funky that sounds? And the next bit, I like to hit a dead open A. And then move to the 4th fret, which is a C sharp of the A string, and hammer onto the D. So. So we've got this. And then we move up to the 4th string, 6th fret, which is also a C sharp. But I like to have a dead open G there as well. So the whole line we've got now is the next bit to end the verse is doing octaves from F sharp to G sharp. So we start on the 1st string, 2nd fret, then we go to the 3rd string, 4th fret, which is the octave of F sharp, move up 1 fret for both, which is a G, and then do another fret up to the 4th fret, which is an A sharp, G sharp, and then it's back to the start of the verse again. So the whole line goes like this. Now, in the original song, it goes through that line 12 times. So to end the verse, it's just open E. And that goes for 4 beats, and then they do some slides. You can do it any way you want. Then I move up to the next string for the next bar round. And then I like to use 2 fingers on both the 3rd and the 4th strings to give it that sort of like, quirky sort of sound to it. And then we move into the chorus, which starts with a slide before the first beat. Something like that. And then we go into the chorus, and the chorus goes like this. Etc. And it does that twice. So what we start with is the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, which is an E. And in that same fret we just drop down to the A string, second string, and back up again. So, and I like to do an open D before I hit the E again, so making it sound a bit more poppy. And then the C sharp, which is the 4th fret of the 2nd string, doing the same thing, going down to the 4th fret of the E string. Just a little rundown there. Open A, 2nd string, 4th fret of the 2nd string, hit it again, a little bit of a open D, hammer onto E, so 2nd fret of the 3rd string, then hammering on from the E to the F sharp, which is the 4th fret, and then 2nd fret of the 4th string, which is A, and so we're coming back down again. And so we're coming back down again. So once you're here, we just simply drop back down to the 4th fret of the 3rd string, hit it again, 4th fret of the 2nd string, hit it again, 2nd fret on the 1st string, and then do the 4th fret on the 3rd string, back to the 2nd fret on the 1st string. So the whole line goes like this. And that was basically very simple. It's just the 2nd fret of the 2nd string and the 4th fret of the 4th string. Just so just to recap the chorus. And notice that the chorus was shortened the second time around. So the second time around on the chorus would be and then that plays through another 5 times, and then it goes back to the chorus again, which then continues and repeats over and over again until a fade out. So anyway, that's basically all there is to it. It's a very simple song to play. It's not that hard to pick up. I learned it by ear. I mean, back in the 70s, the original bass player was actually using a pick, plectrum. I'm not using one because, quite frankly, I hate them. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's going to be fun editing it. But anyway, this is the Astro 30 signing off, and I hope to make more of these type of videos if you like them. Please remember to comment, rate and subscribe below, and you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I always like new likes on Facebook. Anyway, this is the Astro 30 saying see ya, have a great day. My penis. A disco, disco duck. Yeah.